hello guys. Okay. Hello guys. It's me, Jakob. From Cubazet. I'm actually Cubazet, but I'm now trying to find Jakob, who's playing here. What the heck? He's playing here. My friend.
Hi, I'm tasting my death.
Yeah, he's tasting his Beth. We need to find him.
You can't even see.
Ow! Ow!
I'm in the.
Just don't kill me. Just don't kill me. I don't know where to buy those rings. Comment down below if you know where to find them.
Which rings?
Oh yeah, finally I got him. No, he has a gun! No, my death came!
Let's eat up in the gas station.
Oh, hello. Okay, this is him, I'm just gonna quickly...
Spy, yes, I'm right, and I'm always...
I'm gonna buy the spray. I don't know if it's good. I hope it is.
No, it's not. Did you buy it?
And I bought a bat.
Yeah, that's not.
But do you know where to buy the rims? Like those things that they beat up.
Oh, the pipes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I've got a spider. Do you know how to run?
Yeah.
Let's go. We look so silly.
Okay, go.
Oh, let's go.
So I really want to get them, but I just don't know where they are.
Ouch, I'm getting...
Alright, Alicia, give me an ID. Give me a code for music. Oh, he has a gun.
What's that? Oh, shit. You hit it. You hit it, Jakob. What the heck? He's taking katana. I think I know.
Okay, I nearly beat him up.
I got one music code. 1, 9, 2, 5.
Let me beat this noob.
I got a music code.
Wait, I don't want them anymore. Wait.
I got it.
I'm in trouble now. You can't give me any codes. You can't type in now. Of course.
And the code is
I'll just grab a knife.
50019. Is it poop?
I'm dead. Okay, give me the code. Give me the code.
1925.
I think I need to buy this.
It's 19250019. Go buy the spray.
Oh, I can type in the ID.
1 9 1
What?
1 9
1 9.
2. No, it's not a song decal. They don't mean by a song decal. They mean by a picture. Because you did like a robot. Let me do that. I should send it. I have the spray now. Let me do it. Yeah, we do the robots. Can you do a picture? Look. I don't know any spray on the robots. I don't know any picture code. Oh, that's sad. I need all the
Okay, a bacon hair. A guy with a Uzi. Just don't, not me, please. Just not me. I don't want to be a part of that. I didn't do anything bad. So I don't know why you want to kill me. Oh, I think that's against 666. No, it's not.
How do you do this in the game?
Well, you punch.
Well, how do you, I know, but how do you like spell?
You just point the arrow at the person.
I wish you could rob the bear. Oh, there's a guy punching me.
There's a guest behind me. And Donald Trump, I think. Oh, hi.
The battery died. The battery died.
I nearly killed him. Oh, did you see that guy? Oh, I nearly killed him.
Maybe it was this end of this video. Maybe.
We're just gonna finish the video in 2 minutes because it's not good. Nah, I'm dead. Okay, guys. I think this will be the end of the video. It hasn't been too good, but yeah.
Really bad. It was really bad.
If you have any tips, give them real quick, and I will beat this guy up. Yeah, comment down below. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, smash that like button, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.